Good morning, everyone. So now we were doing with the synchronous motors, right? Synchronous motor drives. So I'll continue with the module where we are today going to discuss the permanent magnet AC motor drives. So this is my contact mail ID. You can contact on this for any queries. Now, permanent magnet AC motor drives, right? So as written here, right, first thing is you should know that permanent magnet synchronous motors are commonly called as permanent magnet AC motors, right? So these are classified based on the nature of induced voltage in the stator, right? What is the nature of voltage induced in the stator? We know that motors have a stationary part and the rotor part. So what is the nature of voltage induced in the stator, right? Depending on this, it is classified as sinusoidally excited machines or the trapezoidally excited PMAC machine, right? So in the former, the induced voltage has a sinusoidal waveform, right? It has the sinusoidal waveform, whereas in this type of PMAC, the waveform shape is trapezoidal, right? So a sinusoidal PMAC has the distributed winding in the stator, right? It employs rotor geometries such as inset, right, or the interior, which if you can recall I had shown in the shown when I had drawn the synchronous motor drive, right? Now here in such type of sinusoidally excited PMAC, the rotor poles are so shaped that the voltage induced in the stator phase has a sinusoidal waveform, hence the name sinusoidal PMAC, right? The stator of trapezoidal PMAC motor has concentrated windings and a rotor with a wide pole area, right? Rotor with a wide pole area also you can say, else I can call it as pole arc also, right? Hence the voltage induced in the stator phase has a trapezoidal waveform, right? So what I mean, what we can infer from this slide is there are two types of PMAC. One is sinusoidal PMAC and one is the trapezoidal PMAC, right? One is sinusoidal PMAC, one is trapezoidal PMAC, right? Depending on the nature of voltage induced in the stator, these two are the classifications of permanent magnet alternating current motor drives, right? Now the speed of PMAC motors is controlled by feeding from a variable frequency voltages or currents, right? So they are operated in self-controlled mode, right? Rotor position sensors are employed for operation in the self-control mode, right? Alternately, induced voltage can be used to achieve the self-control, right? Self-control of the synchronous motor drives, right? So there are different inverter or controller circuits for PMAC also, right? Using a power transistors we can draw. The current trend is to use the MOSFET. You all are aware of the MOSFET for the low voltage and low power applications, and the IGBT for others, right? So the self-controlled variable drives employing a trapezoidal PMAC motor are nowadays called the brushless DC motor drives. Hope I am clear. The self-controlled, right? I came here. The self-controlled right? Self controlling, as I said, is done, right, by feeding it from a variable. See here I have said the self controlling is done using a variable frequency or voltages, variable frequency voltages or currents. So the self controlled variable drives employing a trapezoidal PMAC are nowadays called brushless DC motor drives, right, or the trapezoidal PMAC motor drives, right. So I hope up till here it is clear, right. So next part we'll move on with the sinusoidal PMAC motor drives, right, and brushless DC motor drives or my trapezoidal. I mean individually we'll go through these two, right. Thank you.